Alright, so we'll be looking at some other joint issues this morning, and this is what is known as we'll be looking at two of them. That's joint space narrowing, then also osteophyte formation. So, joint space narrowing, just how to do it. This normal space within a joint is becoming smaller. Okay, then osteophyte formation, of course, everybody here should know what is an osteophyte. So osteophyte is this extra bone growth. Okay, so let's look at the two of them. So what is joint space narrowing? It just refers to what? Reduction in the distance between two bones at a joint, and it's usually visible on x-rays. Okay, because usually due to what? Articular cartilage. So the smooth tissue covering the bone ends. Do you understand? This one they said visible at x-ray because on outside you might not really, well, outside the issues that the person might be facing include things like maybe the person is limping. Do you understand? Maybe the person is becoming shorter. Right? So the appearance on imaging is what? The gap between the bones looks smaller. Sometimes it's not the same. Do you understand? That's if the issue is occurring on one side mostly. So clinical significance is this reduction in the space indicates that there's a cartilage degeneration and there's reduced cushioning, leading to stiffness and also pain. Alright. Then for osteophyte now, they are just growth of bony projections, that's bone spurs at the joint margins. So cause is the body's attempt to stabilize a joint in response to some cartilage loss, and the joint is not stable anymore. Do you understand? So actually the growth is for peace, but it kind of like what affects you. So appearance on imaging is what? Extra bony growth protruding from the edge of the joint. I didn't actually bring the image, but that's how it is. So clinical significance is what? Osteophyte growth could actually limit joint movement so as to they could actually reduce how flexible this place is. Alright, so they can also contribute to even more deformity in as much as the body was meant to use this and repair the condition.